to make a boat. So you need paper for this. So the paper, and then you're gonna fold it as so. Then what you're gonna do is this. We're about to do this.
Are you a hungry little bitch?
And then you will have this right here. You might think you have to do this, but that's actually what you're gonna have to do. Wait, I can't do it properly. I'm sorry. Okay. You're gonna have to do this. Oh wait, can I fix it a bit? Can I fix? Okay. Okay. After that, you're gonna have to do this. I don't know. I don't understand why it's still. I'll let it like that. Then you're gonna have to do it to the other side. Can I fix it? Wait. Just stop right here. I think I'm not putting too much space. I think I folded wrong. Wait. Okay, we're gonna have to do this so you can fold more. Then do the same thing, what I just teach you.
Jordan.
You're gonna have to do
Jordan po,
this.
pa-encode niya.
Then
Isang bihon, isang kanton.
put this.
Can you get a fucking word?
Then the other
Isang
side,
triple
you're gonna have
cheese
to
at
do
saka
that
isang
too. Just like that. After
triple cheese
that,
saka
you're
pesto.
gonna have to do this. You're gonna have to fix it, but
Bali, apat na ko.
put it together.
Oo.
So,
Isang triple cheese saka isang pesto, ha?
okay.
Sige. Salamat.
Keep that together. And then you're gonna have to do this to fix it. Oh my god. And I think I did not do it right. You have to do this. Then whoa, it's breaking. It's breaking. Then you're gonna have to it's breaking. I have to fix it. Okay. So you can fully see it. I'm gonna have to do this. Watch me fold it. Did you watch that? You could just put it back where I actually fold it. I need to fix it. Oh my god. And then you will have this thing. You might know what to do now. Since I'm teaching you now, you can just follow me. Okay. Oops, sorry guys. Wait, this is not stable. I wish this. Wait. I'm not going to use the glass. Probably. You might not be able to see. Then you have to fold this. So that's what we've been showing you to up. Oh no, it's breaking. Put this like this. You go to the other side to do that. And you will exactly have this. Right? You're figuring out. There's a hole in there. What you're gonna do is do this. But it's only like this. Watch this. How about no, it's like this. Not anymore because I just said. Right, it's not fixed. Okay, that's that's how you make it. After that, you can open it and look at what you just made. You made your own boat. Simple, right? Nice, right? And you can put it back. Just as simple. Do you know it? You can watch it again if you don't know. And thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and hit the like button. And I'm with a towel. Thanks, and if you know, I only have 2 papers. I think I only have 1 paper. I cannot. I'm gonna tell my mom to get me more paper to make an airplane next. And I hope you see my next. This is the episode of my greeting video. You can see it, and I think I accidentally deleted from my uploads though. Okay, I'm just gonna do it again. Okay. I'm gonna put it back. Oh, I'm sorry for taking it off. I think I don't have my greeting video. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.